Hello guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how you can successfully claim free Shiba Inu. All you need to do is just to stick with me till the end of this video, watch till the end and follow the necessary steps I'll give you, and you'll successfully claim as many Shiba Inu as possible. Okay, but before then, if you're new to this channel, hit the red subscribe button. It's completely free to subscribe. You have nothing to lose and you have more to gain, because in this channel almost every day I post important videos like this that will help you fetch money in the crypto space. Okay, I'll be telling you the name of the sites we'll be using to claim this free Shiba Inu. The name of the site is shib.mineko.in. So you can quickly go to your browser and search shib.mineko.in, and I'll be placing a link in the video description. You can follow the link, it will lead you straight to this page. Use the link and sign up and start claiming as many free Shiba Inu as possible. What you have to do is to copy your Shiba Inu wallet address from any wallet you make use of, either your Binance wallet, your Trust wallet, or your Coinbase, any wallet you make use of. Just copy your Shiba Inu wallet address, then you paste it right in this Shiba Inu section address that says Shiba Inu address. So you just paste it inside this place, then you choose your password. Choose a strong password that you won't be able to forget, because if you forget it, all the coins you've mined, you won't be able to withdraw it. Okay, so just choose your strong password that you won't be able to forget, and put it in this section that says enter your password. After that, you click on this one that says start mining, and automatically you will start claiming free Shiba Inu. Okay guys, after signing up, your dashboard is going to look like this. You can see the amount of Shiba Inu coins I've mined. I've mined about 0.1 Shiba Inu and it's still mining. Okay, so each day I have about 10 Shiba Inu coins to claim from this site, and it doesn't matter whether my data is turned on or is turned off, whether I'm logged into the site or not, it keeps on mining every single minute. And you can see the price of the Shiba Inu coin here, about 0.0002712 dollars. So the Shiba Inu coin is currently low now, so you can use this opportunity to accumulate as many Shiba Inu coins as possible, so that when it pumps, you gain massively from the pump. One good thing with this site is that it will soon be having great partners. If I scroll down a bit, you see that their partners are coming soon. You can see this and this. So they'll be soon be having great partners that will be featuring this site. Okay, if you still want to boost up your mining speed, as you can see, this one is currently at a rate of 1 hash per second. If you still want to boost up your mining speed, you can go out there and copy your referral link and share it to your friends and families and gain some of the percentage of their mining. So you can see, if you scroll down, you get to see your referral link down here. So you just copy it and share it out there to your friends and families. When they mine, you get some percentage from their minings, and you'll be able to boost up your mining. All right, most importantly, I'll be showing you one of the most interesting aspects of this video, and that is how to withdraw these coins after mining them. So if you want to withdraw this coin, just click on this Shib icon right here. So you just click on it and the drop down menu comes up. Just click on, you can see withdraw here, so just click on it. That's withdraw. So you click on it and you'll be able to see the minimum withdrawal from this site. So the minimum withdrawal is about 100k Shib, that is 100,000 Shib coin, and the maximum withdrawal is about 10 million Shib. Okay, so all you have to do is just to put in the amount of Shib you want to withdraw in this section. Then your wallet ID is already here, so you just click on confirm withdrawal and automatically to be sent straight to your wallet. Okay, another thing is that there is a withdrawal fee they will collect. They will collect about 4,000 to 6,000 Shib from the total Shib you've mined. That's more like a network fee I have to pay. Okay, so this is the video I have for you guys for today. If you're super pumped about this video, you can jump right into this site and claim as many free Shib tokens as possible. So all you can do for us is just click on that red subscribe button down below. It's completely free to subscribe, you have nothing to lose. Then turn on the bell so you get notifications of important videos like this, plus almost every day I upload videos that will help you fetch money in the crypto space. So you don't miss out in any of my videos. Okay guys, make sure you like this video and see you right in my next video.